Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a product search bar in Hostinger website builder. This is the example of the search bar. If I search for sunglasses, it shows me the available products or the available sunglasses products on my online store. When I click on it, it lands me directly on the products. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account and click on Websites. Now, next to your website, click on Edit Website. So this is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and first let's give it a visit live. This is the website and this is the products or the available products on this website. So how to create or how to add a search bar for products on your page. First, I will add a blank section to keep things clean. Okay, let's say that I want to add the search bar here. Simply click on elements. By the way, okay, let's click on elements, then scroll down to the bottom and look for product search. Drag and drop it where you want to add it, just like this, and you can customize it like this. By the way, okay, you can add this search product element on a blank page or on a default section like this. It doesn't matter, or this step of adding a blank section is not required, just to let you know. Okay, let's keep this one here. Here I will add this title and go for search or discover our products. I will go with H2. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add-in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger Builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Or discover our products. I will go with H2, place it here like this. Okay, now don't forget to update your website to publish this new search product field. Now that my website is updated, let's view the new search bar live. And this is the search bar. For example, let's look for sunglasses. And as you see, this is a sunglasses product that I have on my website. And this is how to add a search bar in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.